Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start our lesson with Unit 3, Connect Plus, in my community. What is the meaning of community? Community means a group of people living or working together in the same area. One of these communities is our school. They are a group of people who are living in the same area together, or studying in the same area together, or playing in the same area together, and they are cooperating together. So they are a community. Examples for communities: classroom. The classroom is the room at the school where classes are taught. Inside the classroom, we are sitting students together. Inside the classroom, we are sitting students together, and we are studying together. We are cooperating together in order to learn something. So it's a community. The same is the sports hall. It's a part of the school building in which sports are played. This sports hall is a room in which we are playing together. There is interaction with each other. So it's a community. Also, the playground is a community because it's an area used for outdoor play. We go outside the classroom and we play in an open area by children, and often contain slides and swings. It contains slides and swings that we use in order to play and have some fun time. Now, open your student's book at page 30. Look, listen, and read. We have the girl. She's pointing to her classroom and sports hall and the playground in her school. She's saying, "This is my school. Here is the classroom. Here is the sports hall. I like my school. Here is the playground." Now, what is this? What is this? I use it in order to ask about something. We are going to ask in this unit about items that we can find inside the classroom. And we use them inside the classroom, the tools. Now, items can be found inside the classroom. It's a or an. Okay, we are going to remember now that we use a or an articles in order to say that we have only one thing. Only one thing. An, when the noun starts with a vowel, A, E, R, I, O, U, we put Mr. An before them. But when the word or the noun starts with a consonant, we put a whiteboard, a table, a chair, a pencil case, a pencil, a pen, an eraser. We took Mr. An because eraser starts with E, and E is one of the vowels. A sharpener and a ruler. Now, all those tools that we use inside the classroom and we use in order to learn are called stationaries. They are called stationaries. The pencil case is a stationery. The pencil and the pen is a stationery. The ruler, the eraser, and the sharpener are stationaries. So the stationery are tools that we use in the classroom or in the school inside our classroom. For example, books, pencils, pens, erasers, and rulers, and so on. Now, what's in my classroom? What's in my classroom? It's open your student's book at page 31. You will find the title, What's in my classroom? Look, listen, and say. Look at the pictures with me. The first picture is a whiteboard. Whiteboard. The second picture, a table. a table. Then we have a chair, a chair. Then we have a pencil case, a pencil case. Then a pencil, a pencil. Beside the pencil, a pen, a pen. An eraser. We said an with eraser that starts with a vowel. An eraser. A sharpener, a sharpener. The last one is a ruler, ruler. Now, at the same page, student book, page 31, now we have what's in your classroom. Point and say. We have the teacher and the students in the picture in front of us. The teacher is asking the students about their stationeries. Now, what is this? The girl answered, it's a pencil case. The other boy is asking his friend, what is this? It's a ruler. So when I ask about something, I'm saying, what is this? Pointing to something near to me. What is this? And we answer with, it's a, and we say the thing. Or it's an, if this thing starts with a vowel. Now, we are going to know what is a verb. We said before that the noun is a name or the name of something or someone or some place. Okay? Something like the table, the chair, someone like dad, mom, doctor, a place like the school and the house. But the verb is a word that shows an action or motion or doing or tells us that someone is doing something. Okay? It shows us motion. It gives us an action. The verb means that something we do and we use our body parts and our body senses in order to do this action. For example, listen, look, read, write, sleep, sing, play, eat, drop letter, drop letter. Now, all of those are actions. I'm moving, I'm doing something. But when I say table, there is no motion. Okay, there is no action. When I say, what is this? It's a chair. I'm not moving. There is no motion. It doesn't give me any motion or any action. But when I tell you, look, you are using your eyes, you are looking, so you are doing an action. Now, letter means trash. Letter means trash. And dropping letter means to throw the rubbish or the trash carelessly, especially in the public places, like in the classroom. When you drop the letter or throw the garbage on the ground in the classroom, this is not a good action. So you are dropping letters. You are dropping letter. Now, we are going to know about the imperatives. The imperatives are sentences used to issue a command, order, make a request, or offer an advice. We always start the imperative sentence with a verb. There is no noun at the beginning of the sentence. There is no personal pronoun at the beginning of the sentence. We put the verb at the beginning of the sentence. We put the verb at the beginning of the sentence. When I say to you, look at your notebook or look at your book, I didn't say you look at your book. I didn't say the personal pronoun you. I said look. So I started the sentence with a verb directly, without any noun before it or a personal pronoun before it. I use this kind of sentence when I give you an order, when I tell you something you must do, or when I give you a piece of advice. For example, when I say to you, study hard to succeed. When I say to you, study hard, I started the sentence with the verb study. Study hard in order to succeed. This is for your favor. The advice is for your favor. Or when I make a request. The request is when I ask someone to give me or to make something for me. When I ask someone to make something for me. This is the request. This is in the, I started the sentence with the verb in the affirmative form. What about the negative? Negative means not. Negative means not. So we are going to put before the verb don't. Don't look. Don't shout. Don't sleep. Don't eat. Don't. So I put don't before the verb. When it's affirmative form, I started the sentence with a verb directly, without any noun or personal pronoun. But when it's negative, which means not, I put don't and then the verb and complete the sentence. For example, read your story, sleep early, eat your food. Those are imperatives. In the negative form, don't speak without permission. Don't climb the tree. At my school. Now, at the school, we have certain rules that we are following inside the classroom. We have here some orders or imperatives that we are going to read at students' book, at our students' book page 32. Listen, listen, look, read, write, sleep, sing, play, eat, drop letter. When I give you the rules of the classroom at the beginning of the year, I'm giving you I'm telling you the orders or the rules of our classroom. I'm giving you some orders like listen to me carefully, look at your book, read with me, write after me, sleep early, sing with us, play with your friends, eat healthy food, drop letter in the garbage bin. So those are imperatives or orders that I'm giving to you. At the same page, we have read the school rules. Rules number 1, listen to your teacher. Don't, it's negative. Don't eat in the classroom. Look at the whiteboard. Look at the whiteboard. So we started the sentence with the verb listen and look. And when it's negative, I put don't before the verb. Point and say, I follow school rules. I follow my school rules. Reading. Now, students' book at page 33. Open your students' book at page 33, please. Now, exercise number 1, look, listen, and read. Number 1, I like my school. This is my classroom. I listen to my teacher. Number 2, we look at pictures and we read. Number 3, we sing. Number 4, we play games in the playground. Number 5, I eat lunch with my friends. I eat lunch with my friends. Read and draw, point and say. Now, draw according to the sentences under each box. The first box, there is a sentence under it, I eat lunch. You are going to draw yourself eating your lunch in your school, in this first white box. In the second one, there is a sentence which says, I play with my friends. You are going to draw yourself playing with your friends in the playground. Thank you for this lesson today. See you next lesson.